If you're dealing with a stuck key in your 2015 through 2020 Ford F-150, you're definitely not alone. This is a documented issue affecting thousands of owners across these model years. The problem typically manifests as either a key that won't turn in the ignition or one that turns but won't come out when you try to remove it. There are 5 primary causes behind this frustrating problem. Understanding these causes is the first step toward solving your stuck key issue. The most common cause is ignition cylinder wear, particularly in high-mileage vehicles over 80,000 miles. As you can see in this image, the internal components become worn and damaged, making it difficult for the key to turn smoothly. The second major cause is steering wheel lock mechanism malfunction. This often happens when you park on hills or inclines, causing the lock mechanism to bind and prevent normal key operation. For trucks with push-button start, a dead key fob battery is a common culprit. When the battery dies, the system can't detect the key's presence, leading to various ignition problems, including this dashboard warning. The transmission interlock system is designed to prevent key removal unless the vehicle is fully in park. When this safety system malfunctions, it can trap your key even when the shifter appears to be in the correct position. Finally, extreme cold weather can cause metal contraction in the ignition cylinder, making the tolerances too tight for smooth key operation. This is especially problematic in northern climates during winter months. Ford has acknowledged these issues by releasing technical service bulletins, or TSBs, which provide repair guidance to dealerships. However, there haven't been any major recalls specifically for stuck key problems in these model years. Understanding these 5 main causes helps you approach the problem systematically. You can choose the right troubleshooting method, communicate more effectively with mechanics, and most importantly, avoid making the situation worse by using the wrong technique. The most important rule when dealing with a stuck key: never force it. Forcing the key can break the cylinder, snap the key, or damage the ignition system, leading to expensive repairs. For traditional key systems, start with these safe removal steps. First, ensure your F-150 is completely in park position with the parking brake engaged for safety. If the cylinder feels sticky, use only graphite-based lubricant. Graphite powder or spray is safe for ignition cylinders and won't attract dirt like oil-based products. For push-button start models, the process is different. First, check your key fob battery. If the battery is low, you can still start the vehicle by holding the fob directly against the start button. Prevention is the best approach. Replace your key fob battery every 2 to 3 years, even if it seems to be working fine. Regular maintenance can prevent most key-related issues. Remember these key points. Never force a stuck key. Follow the proper removal steps for your system type, and maintain your key fob battery regularly. These simple practices will help you avoid costly repairs and keep your F-150 running smoothly.